Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, or welcome if you're new to the channel, and welcome to this new video on WIF or Dogwifhat. Wanted to make a video on that because it's been absolutely brutal, all right, for WIF. If you look at the chart right here, like in general, like the volume right now is actually quite decent, but it's mostly selling volume, right? I mean, if you look at the last month, and also the last week, like the last week, WIF has dropped down from 2.4 down to 1.52 at the very bottom. That's a huge drop, all right. And that is like if you zoom out, like we had this major support level at $2, psychological support level, but also historically that was a strong support level, and we failed to hold that already on. I think we already failed to hold that on Thursday last week. And then there was some sort of hope that we would have a fake out and then some sort of a reclaim, right? I mean, that's a pretty normal formation that you do something like this, major supports that you drop down below that, get a reclaim and then turn bullish again. But right now, like the title of this video is WIF dead. I think WIF is dead until further notice. All right, with the significant sell-off we've seen. With barely any support at the support levels. I'm not sure if there's any. Look, I'm not sure what the reason is, but if you look at other meme coins, and if you like Bitcoin right now is bouncing fairly well, and then if you look at WIF, there is a bounce, but the bounce doesn't really mean anything. And then if you compare WIF to other meme coins such as Pepe or like Bonk, Bonk has also been very bearish, but the Pepe has been holding on fine, which. Honestly, Pepe might be the only one, so that's a bit of a bad comparison. But no, I mean, at this moment, WIF is dead. All right, now is there some sort of an opportunity to turn around here and to turn bullish again? Yes, but the main thing you need to look at then is not WIF, it's Bitcoin. All right, Bitcoin right now is very bearish. That's driving these meme coins into the ground. And then what's quite interesting for WIF is the following, and that is that. If you look at this, basically since the 20th of June, and if can I please get this chart back on here? Yep, thank you. If you look back to the 20th of June, basically since then there's been this huge increase in short orders. Like a ton of people, like millions and millions of dollars, are shorting WIF right now. So that creates the opportunity for some sort of a huge short squeeze. And getting back to those higher time frames, like up to 2.1 and 2.4, I think that's a real possibility to do something like that. But for that, and that's why I said it's dead until further notice. All right, because to get a short squeeze like that, and we can also look at a liquidation heat map to kind of illustrate it a bit better, I suppose. Like if you look at the last week, what you'll see is that there's basically liquidity all the way from 1.65 at least up to 1.85 up here. And I would say like these liquidation heat maps are not always the greatest. I would say that we can go higher if we actually hit those liquidations, with everybody getting either liquidated or their shorts getting closed. It is a possibility, but like I said, we do need confirmation first. We need some sort of confirmation that something like that is happening. And I would even go as far as saying that we need some sort of initial liquidation or short closing to get it started. And for that, we need to bullish Bitcoin. It's quite easy. All right. So if you zoom in, the main resistance level I think we have right now is at 1.65 and 1.7. If we can get a breakout above that, like if we can get a deviation, right now it's very much this, right? I mean, we are just dropping down. If we can get some sort of a deviation where we get a bullish breakout, then all of a sudden it has potential and we can do something. But unless we get a deviation, and I think that's a breakout above 1.7, we'll stay bearish. All right. So keep that in mind. Assume we're going to drop down lower, but place a price alert at 1.65 and 1.7. If we get some sort of a big break above that with a bullish Bitcoin, WIF can spike up a lot. All right, so keep that in mind. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.